Hi all, welcome to TCM Education. Let's review yesterday's picks and let's start first with the biggest winner, and not surprisingly Bloom Energy started with a big gap down. Amazingly, it nearly closed the gap, so it started at 80, let's call it 82, trading in the morning at 82, nearly closed the gap. Actually did close the gap at 86 and then took a dive, and if you look at the chart, this was a perfect opportunity to look for a short trade, and this 84 short play. Again, when you trade such a big mover, the risks are at least nominal risks are at least 1%. Here it was nearly 1%, so it was like a 70 cent risk on this trade, yielded a 10 to 1. Actually dropped from 84 to as low as 70, let's call it 70, so $8. That's 10 to 1 intraday. Of course you cannot take 10 to 1, but even if you take 3 to 1 or 4 to 1, this one is by far the best trade out of this list, and I think one of the best trades that you can pinpoint from the open yesterday in the whole market. So definitely Bloom Energy a clear winner for those who first traded it, and then you had to manage it. So if you manage it and traded it correctly, you had a brilliant winner in BE. The rest of the bunch, nothing spectacular. Let's take a look for a split second at KVUE. This reminds me of a Snapchat trade a couple of days ago when the stock gapped up and then traded lower all day. So again, more like a scalp play. Taiwan Semiconductor, nothing there other than one rush to the upside in the morning session. IONQ, terrible trading day in terms of technicality. So it went up, down, so it was nearly impossible. I would have to say that this is probably the worst pick in terms of technicalities. You cannot trade this type of a technical pattern. And overall, the S&P 500, if you want to look at the S&P 500, traded lower, ended up losing 0.5%. So overall, one clear winner in BE. Thank you guys. See you in our next video.